Good evening, everybody. USA forecaster JD Rapp with you again in the Breaking Weather Center. We just have a tornado warning again. Has been issued, so let's go right to Storm Commander. This is a confirmed tornado, so we definitely gotta have to stay with this again. At 10:29, a confirmed tornado was located near Way, or 7 miles northeast of Clayton, moving east around 40 miles per hour. Hazardous, damaging tornado. This is a circulation confirming tornado. So this is a tornado has been on the ground again. So definitely you want to be moved to the lowest floor of your home. Put a football helmet, baseball helmet. Folks, this is a tornado on the ground. So we definitely want to take this pretty seriously. And yeah, goodness, things are tightening up now. So this is the type of stuff we can see, these tornadoes again. So you definitely want to seek shelter immediately. This is a tornado on the ground, tornado warning, and report a tornado on the ground now. So this is a damaging tornado. This is the warning we definitely want to take very seriously. If anybody lives in this area, needs to be moving to the lowest floor of your home, put a football helmet, baseball helmet, be the safest place because we do have the safest thing to wear because we have a tornado warning and a tornado is on the ground with the storm. We definitely have a confirmed one again with the storm, and definitely when we have that, you get very strong sides of rotation. So yeah, this is red next to green, very tight rotation. Let me pull up here a second. Just got tight rotation again. We'll pull up that, and you can just see what we have in place. And you can see this black color right? It just tells you that that's a confirmed tornado. So that runs in effect about 11:15 this evening. So you definitely, this rainfall might hide the tornado. So you definitely want to seek shelter immediately. This is a confirmed tornado now. So this is where you want to get a basement where you need to be going to. Make sure you put many walls between you as possible. This is a confirmed tornado right now. So you definitely want to be heading to your safe spot and make sure put many walls between you as possible. So if you're in the path of this tornado, this is the time to move to your tornado safe spot. Goodness gracious. If you're in Madison County, you're in the tornado warning right now that goes into effect to 11:15. So yeah, this is exactly the time you need to move to your tornado safe spot right now. Is put a football helmet on the kids, baseball helmet, whatever you have to protect yourself from flying debris. Because this is a tornado warning that goes into effect into about 11:15. So definitely there is potentially some very strong shared with this. All right, we just got a couple severe thunderstorm warnings are in place. That goes to 11:30 for South Central Lincoln County, and this is Central Mississippi, South Central Jefferson County, and South Central Mississippi, Franklin County, and South Central Mississippi, Eastern Adams County, and Central Mississippi, South Central Coppin County in central Mississippi. This runs in effect into about 11:30. At 10:36, severe thunderstorm is located near Sampler, or 14 miles near Natural Moody's and 40. So hazard 60 miles of wind gusts. So you're just getting some damage and wind gusts with any of these storms down here. And that's where we continue to watch these strong to gusty winds. But let me pull up here while we're on here and see if we have any debris with this tornado warning. And yeah, let me see if they have anything. Yeah, there's a little orange spot, so that definitely always means a little something, as we're starting to get some strong indication of a damaging tornado confirmed. So anybody in Cameron area up here, or Way or Sharon area, you need to be in your tornado safe spot. Get to the lowest floor. You definitely don't need to be any mobile homes now, trailers or anything like that in this type of event now. So move away from, get out of the trailers now. This is a confirmed tornado. Rain might hide this tornado, so you're not going to see it. Just seek shelter immediately. This is a confirmed tornado right now, and a damaging tornado. So you definitely, we don't want you on the, I don't want anybody on the road right now. This is a tornado on the ground right now. So you definitely want to be seeking some shelter immediately. Put a football helmet on the kids. Baseball helmet always comes in handy. And protect yourself from flying debris with the storm. And let me pull up the Echo Tops. Very light on that. Not much hail, but there is potentially, if these storms continuing to bow out and be super sailor. So, I mean, definitely you need to be seeking some shelter. Yeah, that red next to green is very tight. That is very tight rotation. So you definitely want to be moving away from windows and put many walls between you as possible right now. So just join me now. Tornado warning continues into about 11:15 this evening for Madison County in Mississippi. Pull up the debris, and I'll put this thing in just in a couple of scans. It does still show that one spot by Way area. Excuse me. That area has had a potentially of that tornado right there, that debris. Part of it could be dust or dirt, trees could be lofted. We'll have to see if that comes out of survey tomorrow when the stuff's kind of moving away. So if you're like in, it's moving at 40 miles per hour, so you're not going to have time to wait on this tornado warning, and you're not probably going to see it. It's nighttime, and it's going to be hard to see it. So we'll flip back to velocities, and we'll probably want to have to stay with you as long as you can, as long as we have this damaging tornado until it goes down to a radar indicated tornado. Then we would maybe send things back. Severe thunderstorm warning goes into effect until 11:15. We can see any of these storms could produce a possible tornado. We already know we could see them tonight. Severe thunderstorm warning at 11:30 for north central Jefferson County and in south central Mississippi. Then we got one down here for parts of Average Parish down here in Alabama, Louisiana, into down here into the 10:45. So that should expire just in 1 second. So no damage to any storms yet. So that is some fantastic news when we don't have that. So new severe thunderstorm warning to 11:30. That goes for Jefferson County. The tornado warning goes in effect until 11:15. So if you're in Cameron area, Way, Sharon, or anywhere in this Way and Sharon area, you need to be in your tornado safe spot. There is that particularly of strong signs of rotation. If you're in Sharon Way, this is that strong signs of rotation blowing in, and we don't want to get anybody hurt. There's even some green there. Doesn't always mean nothing, but there is, I don't think, any debris, but this might just be out in the woods somewhere where there's a bunch of trees, and that's just going to knock them down. So make sure you're in the building. Lowest floor of your home will be the safest place. I mean, to be and let the storm pass you. Make sure you're in the building. Anybody see the black lines there? They're still there, so we're going to have to still stay with you a little bit. Tornado warning continues about 11:15, so we still have a little while with you to stay with you in this one tornado warning for way, and so I'll be right back in a second. I'm back. I'm back. Alright, we still got that one tornado warning that still goes into effect into around 11:15. Uh, really haven't got any new changes on it. Alright, it looks like it has got removed early, but we'll have to wait until it expires before we send things back in a minute. Check a couple other tools and make sure it looks okay. So yeah, anybody in this tornado warning, I would still be in your safe spot. This is a very strong, not tight rotation, so we would definitely see this storm. Severe thunderstorm warning was in effect at 11:15, and we have one for 11:30 for parts of Franklin County down here. So this is going to be, these little storms are popping up this evening. Little renegades can get going, and that's where we continue to watch. So tornado warning continues 11:30 to 11:15 for Madison County. So definitely there's going to be a few more storms like this tonight to pop up, and we'll have to pop on each time there's a tornado warning. Um, the reason why we're on because we have a tornado warning. I want to remind everybody once again, we do have a down there in Mississippi has a tornado watch into about 2 o'clock in the morning, so we could be getting storms going just like this to 2 a.m. I'm planning on sticking around for a little while tonight, passing along any advisories we do have, and going live anytime we need to. Because, like I said, we would. I think it should be done later on. We would be the squall line would get caught up, and we would not have anything else to do. So, bottom line is, tornado warning continues to about 11:15. They should drop it in a little bit, and we would send things back. Alright. Go back to radar again. If you live in Cameron or you live in west of Wave, that's when the warning in effect. I mean, looking at sheared rates, animation again, and just be a damage and tornado. Yeah, it just looks like I'll pull up the debris areas. Doesn't really show hardly anything, but still, your Norfolk Cameron area definitely need to be taking cover now. Um, Still watching storms. This quasi just continues to. It's been a line for the last couple hours, so let me flip all this off. Flip all warnings off for a second and all the markers so I can just show you. This Boeing is sometimes why we've been seeing these spin ups. It's because you got a Boeing like this, and it's just going to continue. And I think as later this evening we'll see these less bows. We might see a spin up along the area, but I think as we get out of the environment and now this whole parts of the northern part of this area, Mississippi and Louisiana, are back out of it. I mean, doesn't mean we'll see any more, but temperature will drop and you won't get much. But like I said, it's going to be a long day tomorrow. I mean, these storms still continue. Tornado warning in effect for damage and tornado. We just got a severe weather statement came in. It continues about 11:15. This is a damage and tornado. I mean, we're going to continue with the storm. Mobile homes are not safe to be in. So, I mean, just to let you know, we have a damage and tornado, and you need to be taking some shelter. And so far, looking at the chat, look up here, no markers indicate no damage. So that's one good news. We don't have no damage in these storms, so that's one good thing. So right now we only have one tornado warning, and it says it moved out of the area, but still, I mean, we have no report of anything on the ground yet. So if we get any report of any damage, we will pop on to let you know. For right now, I'm going to take a little break, and we'll continue to watch stuff and break in as we need to this evening.